Hey everyone, this is Tim from YourSixTech. Today in this video, I'm going to show you how to delete your eSIM on your iPhone. And this is easy. Maybe you want to go ahead and get another phone or something like that, or you just want to simply delete this. Go to Settings, scroll on down, and this will be under Cellular. Oops, wrong one. Under Cellular, and then scroll on down, and you can see eSIM right here. Just select this. This eSIM will be deleted from your iPhone. Your cellular plan will not be canceled. Contact your carrier to get a new eSIM to cancel your plan. So you can just delete it there, press delete, and you should be good to go. And then I can go to add eSIM right here once I get a new one. And I can just follow the steps right there. Now you shouldn't have to go into the specific store. You should be able to just call them up. And you should be able to transfer your iPhone to a new iPhone just with eSIM to eSIM. Now if you do have just a SIM card, you probably will have to go in if it's SIM card to eSIM. So hopefully this quick little video did indeed help you out. If it did, leave it a big thumbs up and subscribe to my channel down below for more tech videos coming up next on YourSixTech.